to the lecturer Evelyn speaking, and my lovely friend, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let us praise and thank the presence of our Almighty for the abundance of grace and pleasure. We can all still make speeches without any barriers at all and in good health. Not forgetting the salawat and greeting we pour out to the Prophet Muhammad, who has brought us out of the dark age to the era of light today, namely Islam. May we all get indication on the end. Amin. On this occasion, allow me, Ayu Kartini, with student number 12, to deliver a couple of sentence speeches about biotechnology as a disease solution. Ladies and gentlemen, biotechnology is a branch of science that studies the use of living things, such as bacteria, fungi, virus, and others, as well as products of living things like alcohol, enzyme, in production process to product good and service. In other words, biotechnology is the science that deals with the application of biological system and organism to technical and industrial processes for human welfare. Technology has been used for more than 6,000 years to produce the desired product using microorganisms, for example, cheese, soy sauce, and others. In the medical field, the application of this branch in the past is evidenced by the discovery of vaccine, antibiotic, and insulin, although still in limited quantities due to imperfect fermentation. Significant change occurred after the discovery of bioreactor by Louis Pasteur, with this told the production of vaccine and antibiotic can be done in bulk or alone. At present, biotechnology is developing very rapidly, especially in developed countries. This process is marked by the discovery of various technology such as genetic engineering, tissue culture, recombinant DNA, the development of stem cell culture, cloning, and others. This technology enables us to get cure genetic and chronic diseases that cannot be cured. For example, cancer and AIDS. Ladies and gentlemen, biotechnology is an interesting topic of research in the world to overcome various problems from food to health, especially since the development of DNA recombinant technology that allow humans to produce something that was previously difficult to imagine. DNA as a genetic material can be manipulated and designated according to human desires. Ladies and gentlemen, biotechnology application in the health. 1. The use of microorganisms in antibiotics is the treatment of tuberculosis, which is a product by fungus Penicillium notatum. Fungus Penicillium is effective agent infection caused by Staphylococcus bacteria. And 2. The use of microorganisms on hormones. There are certain diseases in humans caused by hormonal problems. For example, diabetes mellitus. And 3. Test tube baby, a technique for bringing together sperm and egg cell outside the mother's body, or in vitro fertilization to obtain offspring. And M. Arif Budiman, biotechnology expert, site. With this technology, we can improve diagnosis, therapy, and disease monitoring. Not only that, biotechnology also allows us to design vaccines that are suitable for certain diseases. With biotechnology, cancer cell can be detected since stage 1, so that the treatment can be quickly and still possible to be treated with biopsy or chemotherapy. Detection using biotechnology is also more accurate in terms of specificity and sensitivity. Specificity, healthy people can be detected suffering from cancer or not with 100% accuracy. In Indonesia, in years 2018, there are 10 million people who suffer from diabetes mellitus, and in year years 2016, around 1.6 million that are estimated to be caused by diabetes. If not treated promptly, high sugar levels in the bloodstream can seriously damage blood vessels. WHO states diabetes is a leading cause of blindness, heart attack, kidney failure, high blood pressure, and lower body amputation. With the existence of biotechnology through the genetic engineering, through DNA recombinant, it is able to make insulin from E. coli bacteria. Giving insulin regularly in minimalist complication so as to reduce the risk of death in the following years. Based on the above is evidence that the existence of biotechnology is able to be a solution for many diseases and can also help solve the problems of someone who is difficult to have offspring, such as a test tube baby to get offspring. Such useful biotechnology is included in modern biotechnology, where the process is supported by sophisticated and educated tools. In addition, biotechnology is also engaged in food or conventional biotechnology, which of course also contains various benefits to prevent diseases, such as milk preparation that can produce bacterial yogurt that plays a role in making yogurt, namely Lactobacillus burgdorferi and also Streptococcus thermophilus. In processed beans that can produce soy sauce that plays a role that is Aspergillus wenti. And also engaged in agriculture by planting hydroponically using sand culture methods, water culture, methods, and as gravel do not use soil media. With hydroponic, this can have an impact on the economy of the community and a healthy lifestyle because we know the process so that it can foster life expectancy and answer to various life problems encountered. A disease will not help if it's not from us who start it, and the disease can attack our body because of our lifestyle. Change your lifestyle into a healthy lifestyle to avoid various diseases. First, I believe the speech may be beneficial to us all. Sorry if there is a word wrong. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.